Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Recording in progress.
Hello.
Yeah. Can you see my screen now? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So now we will start our today's session. So we will start.
Mm.
So hi and welcome to the 7 days online training session on Google Earth Engine for beginners to advanced level on Google Earth Engine for remote sensing analysis. So basically in this course I will take in total 7 days and I am course coordinator. So first of all I will try to discuss about our course module. So after completing this course what you will learn, so I will discuss it. So first of all I will also try to discuss about that introduction of Google Earth Engine, then how you can easily filtering and displaying the satellite data. This satellite data can be Landsat, Sentinel, MODIS or other satellite imagery. How you can easily filtering and displaying the data set. Then move to the importing raster and vector data. So Google Earth Engine we can easily import and export different types of raster and vector data. We also try to discuss about this all of the things. Then how to calculating with the different types of satellite images, how we can easily band calculation, raster calculation, we also try to learn all of the things. Then calculating the different types of indices, ndvi, nwi, all indices. Then introduction to image classification, how you can easily do for the image classification. Suppose you want to make the land cover classification, you want to make the cropland classification, we also discuss a lot of things about the classification. Then move to the land cover classification map, how we can easily make the land cover classification map using the Google Earth Engine platform. Then exporting the raster and vector data, so we can easily export the map as a raster image and vector data. Then we can also move to the time series analysis. So we can in this time I also try to show you that all of the time series, how you can easily make the different types of time series analysis using this platform. Then spectral indices for skill any calculating any index. Then how to remove the cloud from your satellite imagery. So mainly when you want to work with the wet season or rainy season satellite imagery, here you find the lot of cloud. Okay, so Google Earth Engine has some tool or feature, we
Hello.
can easily use this tool for removing all of the cloud. Yeah, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yeah, I hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Sometimes. Yes, yes, yes. Sorry. Sometimes buffering your side from your side.
Okay, some I think
Okay.
some network issue. So it, okay,
Okay.
okay, okay. Then how to remove the cloud from the satellite images. We also try to discuss about this. Then how to visualize the digital elevation model or DEM data and make the hillshade map, SOLP map, aspect map. Okay, we also try to do a lot of things about this. Then how to make the NDVI chart over a period of time. Then we will focus the air quality monitoring. So how you can easily make the air quality map or air quality monitoring. Okay, how we can make the easily make the air quality monitoring time series chart, all of the things we'll discuss. Then then how to download the air quality parameter data from the Google Earth Engine platform. Then how to make the land cover classification chart in Google Earth Engine platform, how to calculate the area, all of the things. Then move to the land surface temperature, how we can easily monitor the land surface temperature and make the LST map. Okay, and also make the time series chart using the Google Earth Engine platform. Then how to calculate the average, maximum, minimum NDVI in Google Earth Engine platform. Then how to add the legend title in Google Earth Engine platform, how we can easily add the legend and title. Then how to calculate the LULC map area for every individual classes, how you can easily calculate the area. So basically this is our total 21 course content. We also try to discuss all of the things within 7 days, and each day we also fix the 3 hours. So first 2 hours I will provide you the live training session, and another 1 hours you can get the problem, and I also try to give you the solution. Okay, so problem solving 1 hour. Okay, so today we will start. So first of all, do you have any experience using the Google Earth Engine platform before? Any experience?
No. I
Okay.
have no experience about
Okay, so basically in this time I will focus only for the beginners who don't have the any experience with the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so Earth Engine platform, who don't any experience. I hope after completing this the whole session you can easily make the any remote sensing analysis using this platform very quickly and efficiently. You can do it. Do you have any experience with the programming language?
No, I don't have any
Okay.
experience about the programming.
Okay, so as a beginners, many beginners, they did not have the programming knowledge. So in this training session I also add here the another part. This part is for beginner, how to learn the programming language. So in this time I also try to teach you which program I used here. So I also try to teach you the fundamentals of programming in Google Earth Engine platform, which program you need. I also try to teach you all of the things. Okay, so I hope you can easily understand all of the programming knowledge and you can easily apply in Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so first of all, today is our first day, and this first day course content will be that I will try to discuss about the introduction to Google Earth Engine platform, then move to the learn the basic principle of JavaScript syntax. So in this time for the Google Earth Engine platform, here I use the JavaScript programming language. As a beginner, you did not know, you don't know the JavaScript programming language, so that's why I also try to teach you the JavaScript syntax. So all of the basic principle of JavaScript, I'll also discuss all of the things so that you can easily learn the JavaScript programming language. Then we also move to the client and server object. We also try to discuss lot of times about the client and server object. Then also talk about the how to get the server to execute your code. Also try to discuss lot of things about this topic. Then importing raster and vector data from your local storage as well as Google Earth Engine dataset. Then filtering the attribute table, then band combination, then import, filter, reduce, clip and display the data in Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so this is our first day course content. We also try to complete step by step. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, introduction to Google Earth Engine platform. In this time here I discuss about the what's the Google Earth Engine platform, then what's the application of Google Earth Engine platform, then how does the work Google Earth Engine platform, then what's the advantage of using the Google Earth Engine platform, and finally how you can start this tool. Okay, so first of all, Google Earth Engine, this is the short form of GEE. Okay, Google Earth Engine, this is the shortest name of GEE. First of all, it is the tool and it is a cloud-based platform. Okay, it's just a cloud-based platform for geospatial analysis. It is a cloud-based platform, so that's why you don't need to download any software like ArcMap or ArcGIS or QGIS. You don't need to download any software because it's totally cloud-based platform for geospatial analysis, and it is a tool that performs the large scale data driven for environmental analysis. And this tool or Google Earth Engine platform, it combines the remotely sensed geospatial dataset. It has the lot of dataset. We can easily access lot of dataset. This dataset come from the NASA, Google, USGS, okay, and more way. And it is the unique and innovative because one can perform the highly interactive algorithm at a global scale. You can do your geospatial analysis in a global scale. Okay, and it is a cloud-based platform, so that's why we don't need to download any software. Okay, and you can easily access our 40 years of satellite imagery easily. This can be Landsat, Sentinel, MODIS, all of the satellite imagery we can easily access using this platform. So that's why it is a cloud-based platform, and so that's why we also don't need to download any satellite imagery. Okay, we can easily we can write this code and we can easily access our satellite imagery. Okay, so we don't need to download any satellite imagery because this is a totally cloud-based platform. Okay, and if you have, suppose you already download some data from USGS or Earth Explorer website, satellite imagery. You can download it, some satellite imagery. So now you want to work with this data. So if you want, you can easily upload your own data set in Google Earth Engine platform and work with this. So it's also possible in here. Then finally, you can use here the different types of algorithm to your data. Okay. Then finally, you can export this map. You can export the map, land cover map, elevation map, all of the map we can easily export. Or we can also export it the different types of satellite imagery. Sentinel-1, Sentinel-2, Landsat. We can easily export everything from here as the image, then tables, then chart, then map output we can get. After completing apply our different types of algorithm, okay, we can easily export. So mainly this is the Google Earth Engine platform. It's totally cloud-based platform for geospatial analysis. It is a cloud-based platform, so that's why we don't need to download any software. Okay. And we can do the remotely sensed data set. We can easily access all of the remotely sensed data set in Google Earth Engine data set. We also try to discuss a lot of time about the Google Earth Engine data set. So I hope you can easily understand where you can get the Google Earth Engine data set. I also try to discuss all of the things. So basically this is the information for what is the Google Earth Engine platform. First of all, this is the cloud-based platform for geospatial analysis, and we can easily access about 40 years of satellite imagery. We can use here the different types of algorithm to do data, and finally we can easily export. Okay. So any question in here? You can ask me any question.
No. It is clear.
Okay. So first of all, application. It has a lot of application for remote sensing analysis. We can use this tool for making any remote sensing application. We just need to the algorithm. What is the algorithm? You can just put your algorithm, you can get the result. So here I also mentioned some application we can easily use for the detecting the deforestation using the Google Earth Engine platform. We can also use for the classifying the land cover and land use. We can also estimating the forest biomass and carbon. We can also do for the mapping wards roadless areas. We can also do for the assessment of plant health status. We can also do for the air quality monitoring. We can also do for the water quality monitoring. We can also do for the flood mapping and damage assessment. We can also do for the drought monitoring. We can also do for the burn severity mapping and so on application. We can also do for the land surface temperature monitoring. Actually, all of the remote sensing application we can easily handle with the Google Earth Engine platform very quickly and efficiently than other software, ArcMap or QGIS. Okay. So it also focuses the society's biggest challenges, suppose deforestation, then drought, then climate change, then disaster, then diseases, then global food security, then sustainability. Okay. And why this is important? So in this time, it's important. Suppose you want to make a land cover classification map using the ArcMap software. So here the lot of procedure when you want to make the land cover map using the ArcMap software. First of all, you need to download the satellite imagery. Then you need to also merge all of the satellite imagery. Okay. So actually, when you download the satellite imagery, we need to download the image as a tiles. First of all, for the whole Bangladesh, we need to download more than 4 or 5 tiles for covering the whole country. Okay, so download. So this is the lot of procedure when you want to work with the ArcMap software for remote sensing analysis. Okay, but in this time, when you want to the Google Earth Engine platform, we don't need to download any satellite imagery. We can just write our code, then we can easily get our preferable satellite imagery, and we can easily work with this satellite imagery for making the land cover classification map. Okay, so first of all, it reduces your time to the analysis. Okay, we can easily in this time we can easily access the petabytes of data for in Google Earth Engine platform and work with this and very quickly and efficiently than other software, ArcMap of QGIS. So that's why it reduced our time to the analysis than other software. And this it has some new feature. We can easily remove our cloud from our satellite imagery and haze and get the clear image in using the Google Earth Engine platform. And we can also do for the Google Earth Engine platform for the global data analysis. We can easily do for the global data analysis because we can easily get all of the data set for the globally global scale, we can easily access all of the data set, and we can easily do for the global data analysis using this platform. So in this time, so this is the important, so it reduced time to do analysis. Then it has some new feature for removing the cloud and haze, okay, and we can also do for the global data analysis, because and all of the step we can easily do using this platform. And other software, when you want to move the ArcMap or QGIS software, it's not possible, okay. So it is the, so this is the important for the Google Earth Engine platform in this time, okay. And Google Earth Engine has the some advantage as also some disadvantage. So first of all, it has a lot of advantage. Disadvantage is the very low. So first of all, you can see you don't need to download any satellite imagery when you want to work with the Earth Engine platform. You don't need to download any satellite imagery, okay. You can access to petabytes of data or more on the way, and its computing power is the very fast, okay. And it is some disadvantages that you need to know some programming knowledge, okay. So in this course, I also try to show you all of the programming language which you need, so that you can easily get the knowledge, the programming knowledge about the JavaScript, okay. And it depends on your internet connection, okay. So when you want to work with the Google Earth Engine platform, if your internet connection is good, then you can get this result within 1 second, okay. So it totally depends on your internet connection. And it primarily focuses on the raster based imagery, and it has the lack of mature and detailed documentation. But in this time, I will provide you all of the detailed documentation, so that you can easily understand the Google Earth Engine platform and work with this, okay. So how does the work? So mainly when you want to work with the Google Earth Engine platform, you can write custom of code in our code editor, okay. This code send a message to a specialist server, and in a matter of second, this server send you a message, okay. So first of all, you can write custom of code. This code send a message to the server, and this server in a matter of second send you the response, okay. Currently JavaScript and Python are supported in Google Earth Engine platform, but JavaScript is more developed and it's easy to learn than Python. So that's why, as a beginner, first of all, we also try to discuss about the JavaScript Google Earth Engine platform, okay. And you can see this is a software type is the web processing and cloud computing, so we don't need to download any software. Then this is the main website, earthengine.google.org. And also you can see this is the accessibility. You must be online connection with your computer. And requirements, you need to just make a Google Earth Engine account for Earth Engine account for use their code editor. To use their code editor, you need to register with the valid Google account, and we already covered this part. So you can get the message from the Google Earth Engine authority. So now you can successfully created your Google Earth Engine account, and we can use their code editor, okay. And your computer system must be online, and scope is the image processing and visualization, and it also work the vector and raster data. So first of all, I also discuss about the how we can start this tool. So mainly in this time, you can see your registration process. So we already complete this part. So in this time, I skip this part and move to the forward, okay.
Okay.
So you can this time, you can see, you can get the message like this in your Gmail, okay. So here you can see, you can just simply click on the Earth Engine code editor. When you can simply click on the Earth Engine code editor, this you can see this is the Earth Engine code editor. When you can simply click here, you can get a link like this. You can see this is the link, code.earthengine.google.com, and here you can see this is the interface of your Earth Engine code editor. In this code in here we can write our code and get the result. So this is our link. So when you complete the registration, you can get a message like this in your Gmail inbox. You can simply click on the Earth Engine code editor. Earth Engine code editor. Simply click to here. It will be opened a window like this. Okay. So in this time, I also try to discuss about the Earth Engine code user interface. This code editor. I also try to discuss about this. And so I simply open this code editor in my browser. So I simply write code.earthengine.google.com. So I simply open. So here you can see it will be opened in my Earth Engine code editor. Actually, you can see this is the Earth Engine code editor at code.earthengine.google.com. Is a web-based IDE for Earth Engine JavaScript API. In this code editor, I can only run the JavaScript code. It's not supported the Python. Okay, it's not supported the Python code. It only supported the JavaScript code. Okay, it's called the Earth Engine web-based IDE for JavaScript API. It's only supported JavaScript. So first of all, I will try to discuss about the interface of this code editor. So first of all, here you can see this is the place. You can see this is the called the editor panel. So here you can see this is the editor panel. Black. You can see this is the editor panel. In this editor panel, where you in here we can write our code. Okay. Suppose I simply write a code. I also discuss about the later about the code. So I simply write the code. Hello world. Okay. So here you can see this is the place. This is the place where you write our code. So this is our called the editor panel. So in this time, where you can see when I click to the run, you can see run. When I click to the run, it is the execute our code and I can get the result. So in this time I want to print the hello world. So I simply click to the run. You can get the result under the console tab. Here you can say console tab. This is my console tab. So now you can see I also try to discuss about the right panel. Here you can see this is the right panel. Right panel, there are the three tabs. First tab is the inspector, second tab is the console, third tab is the tasks. So first of all you can see inspector. So mainly inspector tab is map querying result. So it used for the map querying result. Suppose I want to add here the NDVI map in this place. I want to add here the NDVI map. So when I click on this map, I can get this specific place. What's the NDVI value? I can easily get from here. Default, when I want to click here, I can get here. You can see longitude, latitude, and zoom level and scale. I can get this place. Okay. So mainly when I add the map and click on this on the map, so I can get the map result. Suppose I want to add here the NDVI map and then click on here, then I can get this specific point NDVI value. So inspector tab is mainly work for the map querying result. Then console tab. So console tab is mainly work for the printing your output. So in this time I want to print hello world and I can get the output under the console tab. So console tab is mainly work for printing your output. And finally tasks tab, you can see tasks tab is mainly work for the long running tasks. Suppose I want to export and import something. It can be image, it can be video, it can be animation or anything I want to export from here or import. Okay, then this tasks tab will be running. So when I will import something, then you can also understand about the tasks tab. This tasks tab will be running, and when it will be completed, then we can get the tick mark sign like this. Okay, so here I already export something animation about the night light, something image about the NPP, SNPP. I will export this tip image from here, so it already showing look like this. Okay, so mainly this three tab. First tab is the map querying result, second tab is the printing output, third tab is that long running tasks. When you want to export or import something, then this task will be running. Okay, and you can see this is the left panel. So also you can see this is the left panel has the three tab. First tab is the script, second tab is the docs and asset. So script tab, what is the script tab? You can see script tab is mainly work for which script you saved. So here I already saved some script which I already worked. So here I already skip my script. So when I need the next time to work with this script, just I simply click to here, then it will be showing here. Okay. Suppose you can see I simply click open my animation NDVI code. So I simply click to here. Now you can see this code will be added in my editor panel. And if I need the change the ROI or other things which I need, I can simply change my date or what's edit I need. I can simply edit it and I can get this result using the saved code. So all of the saving code which I already saved, it will be stored under the script tab. And next time when I need, I can simply click to here. This code will be automatically added in my code editor and I easily work with this code. Okay, So then you can see doc step. So mainly doc step, this doc step provide you all of the documentation. So in this time here you can get all of the function. Okay, suppose you can see this is the function, all of the function you can see start with the EE, it means the earth engine algorithm, earth engine array, earth engine bulb, earth engine classifier, cluster. Okay, all of the function you can see here. Okay, and suppose as a beginner you don't know how to use this function, you can simply click on this function and you can get this you can simply click to here, you can see this function description. Also you can also see here the this function argument. Okay, so next time I also try to show you that how you can easily use the function. All of the function is the same way, you can easily get all of the function description, as well as also you can see what's the argument. Okay, you can see this is the argument. Okay, just you fulfill your argument and you can easily get the result, and you don't need to memorize anything, you don't need to memorize anything, because we can easily get all of the argument from the documentation tab. Any function we can easily get the argument, what's the argument need, so we can easily get all of the argument from the doc step. So that's why we don't need to memorize anything. Okay, so we can which function I need, I can simply go to this function and check what's the argument. You can see this argument is the input array, so you can just simply put your function and put get the argument, then you can get the result. So next time I also try to discuss about that, how you can fulfill your argument and use the function. Then asset tab. So mainly asset tab, you can see as a beginner when you open the asset tab, you can see there is the nothing. First of all you need to make a folder. So here you can see here I already make the two folder. You can also you can see this is the folder and this is the another folder. Okay, so first of all you can simply create a new folder and give the folder name, then it will be created. So okay, so asset tab is mainly managing your asset which you uploaded. Suppose I want to upload it raster image, I want to upload it the vector or shape file, or what I need, I just upload it. So it will be manage the asset tab. So next time I also try to show you that how you can easily import your raster image or vector data or boundary shape file, how you can easily do this. I also try to discuss later. So in this time just remember that asset tab is managing your asset which you uploaded, and you can upload it here the get 250 gigabyte free. So 250 gigabyte you can freely use. Okay, so in this time you can see the get link button. So get link button, suppose you can see this is the code link, and in this time I want to share this code with other person. So I can simply click on the get link, I can simply click the get link, and then I simply copy. You can see this is the copy, this is the copy. I simply click here the copy, and I can simply send you this link, then you can easily access this code. So I can simply send you.
Okay.
Now I can easily access my code, which code I already write in here. Okay, so get link is when you want to share your code with other person, then simply click on the get link and the copy, just copy, then send this code. Okay, also you can save.
Okay.
So here I already saved this code using the animation NDVI, so that's why it will be not working now. So I can see it's already saved with this name. Okay, run. You can see when I run this click, I can get the result, the map animation NDVI map. You can see. Okay, so when I simply click the link, it will be, you can see, and you can easily share the link with other person, so that this person also access these tip images. Okay, you can see this is our animation. Okay, so you can see this is our animation, and you can also see. Okay, so now you can see reset tab. So when I click to the reset, it will be clear my map, inspector and console tab. I can simply click to here, you can see gone, our animation will be gone. So now it will be reset or clear this map. Also you can see the apps. So apps, when you want to make the app, suppose you want to develop a apps, so you can easily make the app using this Google Earth Engine platform. So I can simply go to my gallery, click on the gallery. So in this time you can see this is my gallery link. Anyone can access my all of the application from this link. So here I already work with for the agriculture drought mapping application, for the Bangladesh drought monitoring using the SBI. I already work different types of application in here, you can see. So suppose in this time I want to work with this application for the water quality analysis. I simply open this app. You can see. So mainly you can easily access the water quality, total suspended solid, then chlorophyll and turbidity using this application. Also you can see some other application is that Bangladesh enhanced vegetation index. So I can simply open this app in a new tab. This is the another app. So also you can see this is the another app is that
water quality analysis.
chart NDB over a period of time. You can see. So here I already work with the different types of web application. So you can see. Also you can see the leaf area index. Okay. So here you can see this is the application, and anyone can use this application. So when I simply I want to make my draw my region of interest. Suppose I simply draw this region of interest, and then you can see it will be automatically created this raster image, as well as also make the time series chart. What's the condition about the leaf area index in this place? So it will be creating this time series chart. Also you can see this is the another tab application for over NDVI time. So anyone can easily access this application from this link. So I can simply click here. You can see it will be get here the specific lat long, and we also get here this time series animation, time series chart. You can see you can also get the time series chart. When I click to here, I can get this specific lat long and also get here the time series chart. Okay, when I click to here, you can see I can also get this lat long and also get the time series NDVI. So anyone can easily access this web application from the link. Also you can see this is the another application for the enhanced vegetation index and normalize the difference vegetation index trend inspection chart. So when I simply click to here, you can see I can get the specific lat long, and I also get here the my chart trend inspection chart. You can also see. Okay, so this is the another web application. So it's already developed. I will develop this code, and you can see this is the result. You can see also this is the another water quality analysis app. Suppose in this time I want to monitor this condition. What is the water condition? I simply select my specific time period in here. Suppose I can simply select this time period in here. Suppose okay, I simply select this time period, and then I simply draw my RY. So I simply use here my draw my region of interest in here, and which parameter I want to perform. So I simply use here the turbidity. So select the turbidity and click to the submit. So now I can get the what is the condition between this time period, which time period I select, what is the condition about the turbidity. You can see we can get the turbidity time series chart, when it will be high, when it will be low. Okay, you can see. If you want to check here the chlorophyll, I can simply select the chlorophyll and then submit. So now I can get the what's the condition about the chlorophyll for this water body. I can easily access from here. You can see. So you can see. Okay, also you can see the time series animation. So I want to use here the total suspended solid. So I simply click the submit. So now I can get about this result. You can see what is the condition about the total suspended solid. You can see. Also I can see time series chart, when is the high, low, moderate, all of the things we can easily access. When I simply click to here, this chart will be bigger. You can see this chart will be bigger, and if you want to need the data set, you can simply download the CSV. So now I can get the data as Excel file. Need the image, simply download the PNG, then we can get the image. Okay, so mainly you can see this is the web application. So you can easily make when you get this, you can easily make the any web application using the Google Earth Engine platform. Suppose I already work some application, I also try to show you that. So here the application will be available here. So mainly we can easily mainly this tab is working for the managing your apps. Okay, so also you can see this is the map interactive view. So this is the map interactive view. We can get here the world map, and as well as if you want to need the satellite map, you can simply click the satellite, then we can get the satellite view of this map. Okay, and also you can see this is the hand tool. Hand tool is mainly work for the moving the map, and also you can see the marker tool. You can easily make the marker. Okay, as a vector
Oh.
point. Okay, we can also make the point, line, polygon. You can see this is the line tool, this is the shape, this is the rectangle. Okay, also you can see zoom in and zoom out, all of the things. Okay, so mainly this is our user interface of Earth Engine JavaScript API code editor. So if you have any question, you can ask me about this part. Any question?
Yes, yes, I have some question.
Yeah.
We are able to export the map from the from like your NDVI, NDWI,
Yeah,
MI.
yeah, yeah. So we can easily export all of the map as a tip format. So suppose I want to
Okay.
make the NDVI map in here, then I can
Okay.
easily export this map as a tip format, and then we can easily make the map look like this, map layout and everything. We can easily make like this. You can say also open this. You can see this is the map. I open this map.
Mm.
You can see this is the map for NDBI map. So this map I created in Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, after this
Mm.
I just downloaded this tip image, and then I import this tip image in my ArcMap software. Then I can easily make the map title, all of the things I will do in ArcMap
RJS.
software or ArcGIS software. Okay, so I also try to show
Oh,
you the procedure when you download the tip image and how we can easily make the map layout look like this, all of the things. I also try to discuss
okay.
all of the things so that you can easily understand how you can easily do the using the. So suppose, so mainly in this time we can download all of the tip image. Suppose you make the land cover classification map, you can easily download
Yes.
the tip image for the land cover classification map. Then you can easily simply import this map in ArcMap software and just make the map layout like this. You want to make the
Okay.
NDVI map, you can just simply export this map as a tip format, and then you can easily import the ArcMap software and then work with this like the for your research paper or other things. You can easily make the map layout. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, any question?
Okay. No, carry on.
Okay, so I simply go to my next slide. So after 1 minute I also send you the Zoom link again, so please join. Okay,
Okay.
so sharing script, so it's already done. So when you want to share this script with other person, you can simply click on the get link and then simply copy this link and send. Okay, then so
Okay.
in this time also try to discuss about the basic principle of JavaScript syntax. So as a beginner, you don't know about the JavaScript programming language. So first of all I also try to teach you the JavaScript programming for the basic things. So then we will move to the Google Earth Engine code. Okay, so first of all in this time I also just try to show you that how you can easily make the print, then how to make the string, then number, then comment, then how to make the list, how to make the dictionary, how to make the function. Okay, all of the things, basic things which need as a programming knowledge, I also try to give you in this time. So then we will move to our other topics. Okay, so I simply open my code editor and try to show you the practically all of the things. So I simply open my code editor.
Okay.
So I remove all of the things one by one. So I simply open a new code editor.